guys, what's up? Today we will be doing the basics for Roblox Studio and like all the basics for beginners. So we're going to start off with GUIs. In the starter GUI pack, you can hit screen GUI right here, and then you can insert whichever one you want. You can add a frame, a scrolling frame, a text label, a text button, a text box, a image button, and an image label. So for now, we're just gonna do a text button. So on this text button, you can actually customize the text. So I'll write like, I can write like open, or I could write like a, like I can type whatever. So I'll just type hello. I wrote hello. Okay, hello. So these are text buttons. So when you click on them, something will happen, but you need a script. So when you insert a local script, this is the first. Oh, sorry, I'm squeaking. So the first step. So you want it to like click and then do something. The first step is just connect, or no. Script.parent colon connect function, and then a bracket. So this is the basic script. So you want to type this before every single thing that happens in your text button. Like when you click on it, you want something to happen. So script.parent.mouse button one click right here. This is the basic script, and then under it you would type whatever you want to happen. That's probably going to be in a later video. So for example, you need to learn the language of it first. So that's kind of advanced, but that's just a basic scripting for clicking text buttons. So you want, once again, you want script.parent.mouse button one click connect function. So that's what you want. And then when you do that, it should say end with a bracket. It should pop up. Yeah, that's the basic, and then you can type whatever you want. That's going to be later. Maybe probably in a later video, or you could just search it up, like, you can search up other ways. But yeah, that's just the basic telling you. Now we're going to learn about text labels. Text labels don't do much, but they just stay there for design. So I'll show you what a text label does. It's exactly the same as a button, just you can't click it. As the hello, you can click, but this one, it doesn't really click or anything. So when you click on it, you can adjust the text. I'm going to write hey. I'm going to write hey. Alright, so this text label doesn't really do anything. You can adjust it. Say we're doing a shop, like my old one, you can write shop in there, right? And then get like way bigger. So that's kind of like what you can do with this text label. So the buttons are the more part. And now we're going to learn about printing in our output. So this is what an output is. It basically shows like data model loading and the asset of the game, blah, blah. And this is a 10th place number 95. Auto recovery file was created at 5:09. It's now 5:10. Right? Perfect. So that's the output. So we're going to learn about this. So now we're going to just go to workspace and insert a script. And it actually does something automatic for us. Roblox works print hello world. And so yeah, I'll delete that and type it in ourselves. So we're going to type print. And then in brackets, we're going to type whatever you want. So we're going to type print mad apricot is awesome. Boom. Oh wait, and you're going to want to do quotation marks. And so mad apricot is awesome, you're going to want to put this in quotation marks. And yeah, there. So now when we hit play, our output will say mad apricot is awesome. Oh no. Okay, there. Boom, there we go. Hey, the output's saying I'm awesome. I agree with the output. I agree with it. Oh shoot, my Roblox studio is not responding. Okay, there. Okay, so it says mad apricot is awesome. So yeah, that's the basic output settings. And now I'm going to teach you about output settings with numbers and showing you how smart it is. So when you go to your script, let's go back in. Let's delete the print, blah, blah. So if we write hey equals 50, and then we write hello equals 100, we have just made variables. Because now when I type these two variables come up, hey and hello. So that's a variable. And now if we write print, and in brackets we write hey plus hello. Wait, we got the quotation marks. Hey plus hello, and we hit play. Our output is going to say hey plus hello. It does say hey plus hello for some reason. Let me just fix that real quick. I swear, no, Roblox series not responding. Okay. So yeah. Oh, sorry about that, guys. I actually messed up on something. Like always. I always mess up. We're going to take out the quotation marks. So we're just going to do hey plus hello. So it's going to say print hey plus hello. So now in our output, it's going to say 150 because hey equals 50 and hello equals 100. And they put them together, which is 150. So those are talking about variables and printing stuff. And then boom, scrolling frame, blah blah blah. This is all these are all like the advanced stuff that happens in game, and then 150 is the stuff we did. So if you go to source, then boom, and maybe I can add like hi equals 1, and we can do hey plus hello plus hi. Alright, boom. So then it would say 151. And it doesn't say that right now, but it will if you do that. So that's basically the output settings. Now I'm going to teach you about Toolbox. So the Toolbox is a big bunch of free models people have made for you. So when you click on pistol, it will automatically go into your starter pack, and instead of like just making it yourself. So yeah, that's what Toolbox is. So it basically just does stuff for you without you having to make it. But some things have viruses in them. So this kind of has a virus in it. Look, so if I delete this, so if I hit play, oh yeah, it's a normal jump pad. You might think that, right? Oh, it's a normal jump pad. But some things kind of have viruses in them. Virus is basically it can make your game terrible, and it will also they can take control over your game. So make sure try not to use free models too much, okay, guys? So yeah, and we're gonna go in, right? We're thinking, oh, the jump pad's just a normal jump pad, no viruses at all. But I actually have used this before, and every couple of minutes, a thing says, would you like to take jump pad for free? And which is basically promoting their game. So you guys don't use things that don't have this little badge on them. So the good things have badges next to them, like this. Like it has like a tree, a bush, and a block and stuff. That means they have no viruses in. 100%, they're not going to do any bad for you. So those are some of the basics. Now I'll teach you what click detectors are. Click detectors are basically when you click something, something will happen. So basically what you're going to do is insert a part and scale this like a door, I guess, because if you want to make a door, click detector and anchor it. And guys, anchoring means it will not fall over in game. So it's fine if there's no land underneath it. Alright, so there's a door, and if you hit this white plus next to it, and hit click detector, there will be a click detector that shows up. So yeah, guys, those are the basics for it. It does say click detector, and then for later on, you're gonna learn how to make the click detector do something. So yeah, guys, that was it. I hope you enjoyed. And I hope you like the new cat face cam. And yeah, see you later. Bye, guys.